Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to cook wings on a Blackstone griddle using an easy method. First, ensure your wings are completely dry. This is key for achieving that perfect crispy skin. Next, season them generously with your preferred dry rub, making sure every wing is coated. Then, preheat your Blackstone griddle to a medium-high temperature, around 375 degrees Fahrenheit, to get it ready for cooking. This simple preparation sets you up for delicious results. Once your Blackstone is hot, carefully place the seasoned wings directly onto the griddle surface. Arrange them in a single layer to allow for even cooking and browning. Cook the wings for about 8 to 10 minutes per side, or until they develop a beautiful golden brown color and crispy texture. Remember to flip them regularly to ensure they cook evenly on all sides and don't burn. This consistent attention will yield perfectly cooked wings. To ensure your wings are fully cooked and safe to eat, use a meat thermometer to check that their internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Once cooked, transfer the hot wings to a large bowl. Now, it's time for the fun part. Toss them generously in your favorite wing sauce, whether it's buffalo, barbecue, or a sweet chili. Serve these delicious, crispy wings immediately to enjoy them at their peak flavor and texture. Enjoy your meal. For extra crispy wings, avoid overcrowding your griddle. Cook in batches if necessary to maintain consistent heat. A griddle press can also help achieve a flatter, crispier skin. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to experiment with different seasonings and sauces. And speaking of bringing things to life, check out the Echo Dot smart speaker to enhance your home's ambience and convenience. You can find a link to the Echo Dot and other great deals in the description below. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.